In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to create this grunge kind of a morphing effect. I'm not sure how to explain it, honestly, but it is a morphing effect and it has grunge aesthetic to it. So let's hop straight into making this effect. Starting off, like always, I'm going to make our adjustment layer. Then I'm going to go about right here where I have my key marker. I'm not sure what the name is. Just like a little point I place right here. Then I'm going to make a solid and I'm going to put it on white. Then I'm going to make this one frame. I'm going to zoom in. It's going to be kind of acting like, it's going to be acting as a flash transition. So we're going to be having our flash right here. Then it's going to start changing into our actual effect. So the first effect I'm going to add, it's going to be Displacer Pro. It's a free plugin. You guys don't have to pay for it. I'll make sure to link it inside the description below. So I'm going to go right here to our scale. I'm going to bring it down a good amount, maybe around to 83. And bring up our translation a good amount right here. Once we got something like this, want to head over to our edge behavior. Maybe put on mirror repeat or edge repeat. Just mess around with it, see what you like. Once we got something down, you want to close out our menu right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add our noise effect. Go right over here and drag in our noise effect. I'm going to increase it a good amount. I'm going to close this out, and then I'm going to go ahead and add CC threshold, drag in the effect. Then you can already see how we start getting this kind of morphing trippy effect. Then I'm actually going to increase that threshold and just see what we can do, mess around with it. Again, you can go ahead and always add more noise to it, even turn off our color noise, makes it a big difference. Just see what you like. I really like how this is ending up. And then once we have something like this or just the style you want it to be, go ahead and add a tritone effect. Then just pick any color you want. I might just go and pick maybe like a green. Then I'm going to go to our CC threshold effect again. And I'm going to bring up our blend a good amount right here. Then if you want, you can pick multiple colors. You can pick red, green, just any color you want. And you got something like this. So we have our transition right here. Then it just skips this morphing effect. And if you want something different, you can go ahead and just get rid of a tritone effect. And you can pick a colorama effect. Drag it in. Go to our output cycle. And we could pick any color we want. So like let's say I pick clay. Go to modify, maybe put it on hue. Or saturation. Yeah, saturation changes the color. You can pick any color you want. It's not really noticeable. So I wouldn't really recommend this. Maybe just sticking with the actual tritone. Or if you want something else, you can also pick our 4-color gradient. Drag it in. Then put it on hard light. You can mainly pick any color you want. You put the gradient above here. Let's see. Soft light. I'm pretty sure it's nice. Yeah, it's just experimenting with what you want. And you could build some nice effects just off this right here. So let's say I can change it to white. Got something like this. I can change this other color to red as well. We got something cool like this. So it's like it's a multicolored. We have kind of like a black and white, and like red right here. And if you don't really like the positions, you can go ahead and just change it. Like there's so many ways to mess around with this. It's a pretty cool effect. And if you guys don't know, I actually just released my first editing pack. It's based off a grunge aesthetic. It really helps me save time, and I really love the effects that I've made. It's mainly consisting of CRT effects and grunge effects. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how to use the pack. So yeah, it's like showcase it to you guys. I'm going to put our adjustment layer on top. Close this out, go to animation presets, user presets, then I already have my pack inside. I'm head over to the CRT and I'm just probably going to pick the distortion. I really like this effect. You can already see how like it's way too overexposed, but don't freak out when you use this effect. It's just mainly the exposure that's causing it to be just crazy. You can just drag down our exposure, and just like that, you have a nice CRT effect. So yeah, it's very versatile. You can do many things with this effect. Let's say you don't really like this one. I have multiples as well. Let's just pick just this one, any random ones. I can go in and get rid of our motion tile to get rid of this, not sure, like kind of these bars on the side. And then we have another effect as well. And let's say you don't really like CRT effects. Let's go and get rid of that. Then let's add our main grunge effects. I do have a grunge reveal effect. So I drag it in right here. You can see it starts to do kind of a reveal right here. And then let's say if you don't really like the color, go over your tritone, and you can change it to any color you want. So I can go to like green. And they're really cool effects. So yeah, if you guys are interested in making grunge effects and you want to save some time while editing, I recommend checking out my website below. It's called strivevisuals.com, and check out the Grunge Anarchy pack. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.